Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to adding animated text using VivaVideo application. Here's a detailed guide for creating animated text using VivaVideo's keyframe feature as described. Step-by-step guide, adding animated text using keyframe in VivaVideo. Step 1. Open the text feature. Launch VivaVideo and open the project where you want to add text animation. Navigate to the text feature located under the Text and FX menu. Tap on it to access the text editing tools. Step 2. Add and style the text. Enter the text you want to display on your video. For example, welcome to my video. Choose your preferred font style from the available options. Customize the color, size, or alignment to suit your video theme. Step 3. Set the initial. Position using keyframe. Position your text at the desired starting point on the screen. Tap on the keyframe icon to create the starting point for your text animation. The keyframe tool is what makes the animation dynamic. Step 4. Animate the text. Drag the text to a new position on the screen or adjust its size angle for a transition effect. Wait for a moment. You'll notice a new keyframe icon appears automatically on the timeline, marking the ending point of the animation. Repeat this process for multiple keyframes if you want more complex movements, e.g., bouncing or rotating text. Step 5. Preview and adjust. Use the play button to preview how the text moves or animates between keyframes. If needed, adjust the positions, timing, or effects for a smoother animation. Pro tip: the key to creating dynamic text animations is placing the text at different positions using keyframes. You can also modify the size, angle, or rotation of the text at each keyframe to make it more engaging. Step 6. Export your video. Once satisfied with your animated text, save or export your video by clicking on the export option. Here are troubleshooting tips for the keyframe animation process in VivaVideo based on the provided steps. Troubleshooting tips for using the keyframe. Feature in VivaVideo problem. 1. Keyframe icon does not appear. Solution: ensure you've selected the text layer in the timeline before trying to add a keyframe. Make sure you've positioned the text differently. Keyframes only appear when there's a change in position, size, or angle. If it still doesn't work, restart the app and try again. Problem 2. Animation is not smooth. Solution: check the spacing between your keyframes on the timeline. Too close or too far apart can cause abrupt or slow transitions. Use smaller movements between frames for a smoother flow. Problem 3. Text does not move. Animate. Solution: confirm that multiple keyframes are added to the timeline. Verify the starting and ending positions of the text in the preview. If both positions are the same, the text will not move. Make sure the keyframes are on the same text layer. Problem 4. Changes are not being saved. Solution: tap the checkmark or save button after setting each keyframe. Avoid closing the app or switching screens before saving progress. Clear the app cache if the issue persists. Settings at apps. VivaVideo. Clear cache. Problem 5. App crashes or freezes. Solution: ensure your device has enough free RAM and storage space for processing the video. Update VivaVideo to the latest version to fix potential bugs. Lower the video resolution in the project settings if your device struggles with high-resolution editing. Problem 6. Keyframe effects. Look incorrect in exported video solution. Before exporting, preview the entire animation in the app to check for errors. Use the high-quality export option if the animation looks blurry or choppy. Avoid multitasking or closing the app during export to prevent rendering issues. Problem 7. Text size or angle resets. Between keyframes. Solution: double-check that you've made adjustments, e.g. resizing or rotating, between keyframes. Ensure the adjustments are significant enough to be recognized by the app. Drag the timeline slider to manually inspect each keyframe. Problem 8. Unable to add more keyframes. Solution: verify if the timeline has space for additional keyframes. Remove unnecessary keyframes if the limit is reached. Check if the layer is locked or inactive. Unlock or reselect it to continue editing. These troubleshooting tips should help resolve most issues while using the keyframe feature. Let me know in the comments section if you'd need any problem. That's all for today's tutorial. Subscribe us for more tech tips and tricks and keep watching Mr. Tech for more advanced tutorials. Good luck and have fun creating your videos with VivaVideo. See you next time. Bye.